Good morning, Mustangs. I'm Cody.
And I'm Madison.
Today is Wednesday, March 20th. Here are your morning announcements, but first, please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Due to lack of participation, the last segment of the senior video scheduled for after school today has been canceled.
Mustang Mentors will be having their last meeting of the year, Wednesday, March 27th. We will meet in the morning at 8:15 in the gym. The topic will be clubs and activities. Group leaders, please have a plan ready for your class by Monday of next week.
Interested in traveling to Italy, Greece, and Turkey next summer? Come to an informational meeting on Thursday, March 21st at 6:30 p.m. in C. Brow's room to learn about the itinerary, costs, and payment plans. This meeting is for all rising juniors, seniors, graduates, and their parents.
Congratulations to David Glenn for placing 4th in mathematics at the State Governor's Cup competition and to the future problem-solving team of Isaiah Bryant, Maggie Foster, Kaylin Roberts, Haley Simpson for placing 9th in the state at the 2013 Governor's Cup competition.
The jazz band and the guitar ensemble will give a joint recital in the auditorium on Thursday, March 21st at 7 p.m.
The boys tennis team defeated Bully East yesterday 4-1. Winners for North were Tyler Colombi, John Newton, Jack Dugan, Clay Hammonds, and Cameron Gray.
Thanks for tuning in to Good Morning Mustangs. Have a great day.
But before we go, I'd like to ask Madison Senator Bomb, see what you got to me.
Yes, so